Processing Technology, CNC Machining, full name CNC Machining Center, CNC Center. After getting a part drawing, you should finally analyze the part drawing to determine the processing process. If CNC processing is required, enter CNC programming. After programming, prepare materials according to the programming requirements. CNC programming, that is to say, the processing method of the part, such as the tool fixture used, the clamping and positioning method, etc. The processing path, such as the feed path, the tool setting point, the tool change point, etc. And the process parameters, such as the feed rate, spindle speed, cutting rate and cutting depth, etc. Next, numerical calculations should be carried out. Moskin system Chavator compensation function. You and need to calculative coordinate values of intersection points or tangent points of adjacent geometric elements of shape, and obtain coordinate values of the starting point and then the geometric element and the center point of it. Finally, based on the calculated coordinate values of the tool movement trajectory and the determined processing parameters and auxiliary actions, combined with the coordinate instruction code and step segment pattern used by the CNC system rules, the part processing step list is written segment by segment and input into the memory of the CNC device. CNC material preparation. Definition. According to the requirements of CNC programming, determine the minimum size requirements of the blanks required for CNC production, according to the outsing or cutting method. The materials required by the CNC production department are ready. Points to note. When CNC blanking, the size of the material should be at least reserved on both sides of the plastic part compared to the actual size. But more expensive materials such as PEEK generally leave only a little space. When blanking the CNC lathe, leave a little space in the radial direction on one side and a little space in the axial direction. CNC machining. Input the production and processing program into the CNC machine, and machine process the prepared blank materials. Points to note. During CNC machining, if metal materials are processed, coolant is sprayed. If you are processing plastic materials, spray air and a small amount of water. The purpose is to lower the temperature and prevent the knife from melting. Gypsum must be injected when turning over CNC processed plastic parts to prevent the knife from flicking out and product deformation during processing after CNC machining is completed. Post-processing, such as grinding, polishing, deburring, etc. may be required according to the drawing requirements, and then surface treatment is performed.